You may be at the point in your business where you're thinking to yourself, what additional services can I add to my packages for clients? In this video, I'm going to share a great option with you, productivity coaching services. I'm going to give you an overview of what a productivity consultant or a productivity coach is and 3 ways that you can implement this into your packages for your clients. So stick around and let's get into it. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. What does that even mean? Welcome back to the I Speak Organize YouTube universe. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer, productivity-based life coach, and decluttering expert. I like to speak organized to give you the tools to conquer your clutter, live life with more purpose, and learn all about the business of tidying. Before we get into talking about productivity coaching, I want to make sure that especially if you're new here, you know all about the valuable education and resources I have available for you through I Speak Organized. Maybe you're one of those people that loves to organize, it is a passion of yours, you know you're good at it, and you've always thought about starting a business, or you have started a business and you've hit a roadblock and you need some information and some strategies to push past it and start taking clients, start getting better clients, whatever it happens to be, wherever you are in your journey. I have got you covered because I offer one-on-one coaching exclusively for professional organizers to help you flesh out your business plan and get you feeling confident and ready to tackle the next stage of your business. So be sure to head down to the description of this video where you can sign up, and my schedule does fill up pretty quickly, so get on there before it fills up for the month because I would love to and would be honored to help you. And if you're looking for a shortcut to getting clients in the door faster, I've got my signature Pro Organizer Forms pack, which has 9 done for you forms that are 100% customizable to your business through a free Canva account. I will even show you in a video tutorial exactly how to set up a Canva account if you've never used it before, and these forms will allow you to onboard a client properly from start to finish. You will have everything that you need all in one place to collect the right information, get those 5-star reviews, and present a professional project plan for them as well. So be sure to snag that at the description down below, and I have my special discount code YTPRO8 for you as my honored YouTube viewer. So go ahead and snag that and let's get into the rest of the video. So what exactly is a productivity consultant or a productivity coach? It's basically somebody who comes in and teaches a client time management principles, schedules, routines, calendars, and maintenance systems. One thing that you'll notice when you go in to organize a client's space, you work really hard to declutter it. You work on the space planning, you get the system implemented, you organize all of the things in the system, you take your before and after photos, and then you're finished with the project. And what often ends up happening is either between sessions or at the end of the project, the work comes completely undone, which is so frustrating for the client. It's really frustrating for you, and it can sometimes lead a client to think that you're not as good a professional organizer as they thought you might have been. And really what the issue is that you just haven't taught them how to maintain the system. And so that's where productivity coaching comes into play. This is also a great opportunity to establish a more long-term relationship with your clients and build that trust and rapport to have them as a repeat client. You can go in and refresh their space. You can work with them virtually through the maintenance system and really make them feel confident and teach them how to organize moving forward and really show the value of what you have implemented for them. So here's a few examples of some productivity coaching services that I offer in my business. And the first one comes in the form of project management. It's basically a project plan that I present to my client in the form of some kind of digital calendar or PDF that has a schedule or a routine written out for them to go and execute in a specific specific period of time. The point here is, again, to help your clients understand time management and how long a project realistically takes from start to finish. And they'll be able to see through your calendar or whatever printable routine it is that you've created for them, a snapshot of how they'll be able to implement that process from start to finish. The next part of this service comes in the form of accountability coaching, which is actually done generally virtually. Clutter coaching session or a life coaching session where we go through whatever material it is that I've created for them and we start to work through some of those micro tasks together. It could be a clutter coaching session where I'm on Zoom with them and coaching them live through working on their pantry or whatever it happens to be that we've put into the project plan. Or it could be trying to map out how they're going to apply for a new job, or how they're going to meal plan, or how they're going to work on their budget, and just sort of continuing to give them the support and the accountability that they need to sit down and actually get these things done in the time frame that we have laid out. And the sort of last piece of this is the follow-up aspect, and there's some additional resources and training that I will send them as well. And if you've ever worked with me as one of my business coaching clients, you've gotten a follow-up email similar to that is just a bunch of links with different resources according to whatever it is that you're working on in your business. And I do the same thing for my productivity coaching clients. And it's just things that they can do, homework basically, that will allow them to enhance the experience. And they can also get in touch with me via Marco Polo, which is a video chat app. If you've never used that before, it's free. And I will get video messages from clients or texts sometimes when they're feeling like they're lacking in motivation, they need a little bit of support in the moment. I always encourage them to reach out to me that way so that I can feed them a strategy or feed them a little mindset shift to keep moving forward. And that is a huge key piece of it. So that's basically all it is. It's really simple, and it has been very effective for an addition to my business, both for my clients to enhance the experience for them, and also to help me so that I'm not always worrying about the work we've done becoming undone. My clients are starting to gain an understanding and an insight into what it takes to maintain those systems in a realistic way that isn't super difficult. So it's just all around a super win-win, and I definitely encourage you to think about ways that you can weave productivity coaching into your business. And at this point, I'm sure some of you have a ton of questions. This might be really exciting. You want to plug this into your business. So I encourage you, if that's you, to get on my one-on-one schedule before it fills up, and I'm going to help you sit and come up with a strategy to put these services into your packages and help you with the pricing, designing, and pitching of it all for these clients. I've got a gift for you for watching this video as a thank you. Down in the description, you'll be able to snag my package pricing blueprint completely free, and it's an opportunity for you to sit down if you've never done that before and come up with your pricing structure and your package list so that you have that information ready to go. You can send it off to all your potential future clients. And I encourage you to join my free Facebook group. I offer free mini trainings every month inside that group. And especially if you're new to the organizing industry and you're looking for ways to help encourage your clients and strategies to work through projects with them, those mini trainings can be super helpful to give you tips that you can use with your own clients. So be sure to join at the link down in the description as well, and I'll see you on the inside there. As always, it's been an honor to have you here with me today. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the playlist, Becoming a Professional Organizer. I'm definitely your go-to gal when it comes to all things pro organizing business. Be sure to smash the like button and tap the little notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. And beyond that, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.